Thinking about switching from Android to iPhone but are worried about losing all your WhatsApp chats, photos, videos, and important conversations? And maybe you have already heard that transferring WhatsApp from Android to iPhone means factory resetting your iPhone. Well, what if I say there is a solution where you don't need to hard reset your iPhone and you can transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without losing data? I will walk you through the entire WhatsApp transfer process step by step, including what you need before starting, how to connect both phones, how to transfer WhatsApp data, and what you should check after the transfer. So, if you are moving from Android to iPhone, stay until the end to know the complete process to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Hey folks, Maswakil from W Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how do you move WhatsApp from an Android phone to iPhone when you have already set up your iPhone and don't want to erase everything. Normally Apple's official WhatsApp transfer method requires you to erase your iPhone, which is not convenient if you are already using your iPhone. So in this situation, we will require a professional WhatsApp transfer tool, and in this video we will be using Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer, which offers a dedicated way to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without following the usual factory reset process. First, iCareFone WhatsApp transfer is the best WhatsApp chat mover that helps to transfer data across devices without reset. Not only we can transfer data from one device to another, but can also merge WhatsApp data from one phone to another phone. It can also back up and restore WhatsApp business data on computer without Google Drive or iCloud. And here is why we should choose Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer tool over other tools like Move to iOS or Samsung Smart Switch. It needs you to follow 3 simple steps to complete WhatsApp transfer process. Wow, that seems really easy. So to get started with, let's firstly download Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer, and for that simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer official website. Now click free download. It starts downloading, and once Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on this. Now here we have Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer tool with all the features and capabilities. We can use it to transfer app data between two devices for WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, GB WhatsApp, Kik and Viber. So now finally let's get started to know how to use Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without factory resetting iPhone. But before I start, let me show you the data I am looking to transfer. Here is my Samsung Galaxy F13, which has WhatsApp chats that had text, images, videos, stickers and more. Now we will transfer this to my iPhone, which is already set up and has data that I don't want to erase. That is why we need Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer. Here make sure your both devices have enough charging to complete WhatsApp transfer process, and you have reliable USB cable to make secure connections. So now let's get started with WhatsApp transfer process, and for that here we are on Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer. Here click WhatsApp. Now here we need to connect our devices Android and iPhone. Firstly connected my Samsung Galaxy Android phone to computer, and once connected, here it shows up. Next connected my iPhone to computer, and see it shows up here. Now we can use iCareFone WhatsApp transfer to transfer WhatsApp from Samsung to iPhone, or can also use this switch button that helps to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Samsung. We can also use WhatsApp data transfer and merge feature if we are already using WhatsApp on iPhone and want to merge WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. Well, as we only want to transfer data from Samsung to iPhone, selected this and then click transfer. Now as we are using trial version, it shows a pop-up to get a plan. Simply click on buy now, and this opens a browser with Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer official website. Here it shows different plans that we can buy to complete WhatsApp transfer. Simply choose any of these plans and complete purchase. Once purchase is complete, come back to iCareFone WhatsApp transfer and then click register. Here enter email ID and registration code that you will get after completing the purchase. Now again click transfer. Next we will be required to enable USB debugging on our Samsung Galaxy Android phone, and for that simply follow these steps. Open settings and then scroll down to about. Now tap to open it, and then here we have software information. Simply tap on it. Next tap 7 times on build number to enable developer mode. Once developer mode is enabled, go back and then see here we have developer options. Tap to open it. Now scroll down to USB debugging. Tap OK to allow USB debugging. Next it will ask to allow authorization to continue. Follow this to do it. Simply select this and then tap allow. Now it shows a pop-up that says WhatsApp data on iPhone will be overwritten with new Android's WhatsApp data. Here click continue. Next we will be required to create end-to-end encrypted WhatsApp data backup on Samsung Galaxy phone, and for that simply follow these steps. Open WhatsApp and then tap on three dots on right side. Now select settings. Scroll down to chats and then tap to open it. Next tap chat backup. Now here we have end-to-end encrypted backup. Tap on it. Here we can use passkey. Simply ignore this and tap more options. Select 64-digit encryption key from the options. Next tap generate your 64-digit key. Now here is our encryption key. Simply copy this key so that we can use it later, or can also take a screenshot. Next tap continue. Here tap I saved my 64-digit key. Now tap create. This will create your end-to-end encrypted backup for WhatsApp data on Samsung Galaxy phone. Once done, tap continue on iCareFone WhatsApp transfer. It starts getting WhatsApp data from Samsung Galaxy Android phone, and once done, we will be required to verify backup using encryption key. We can simply open encryption key screenshot on Samsung Galaxy phone and then click scan for automatic verification. It starts scanning for encryption key, and once the scan completes, we will be required to select the data that we want to transfer. All is already selected, so let's not change it, but you can change it as per your requirement. Next click continue. Now we will be required to log into WhatsApp on iPhone, and for that simply open WhatsApp on iPhone, verify WhatsApp on iPhone using the same number, and once logged in, click logged in. Next we will be required to turn off Find My iPhone on iPhone 12, and for that simply follow these steps. Open settings and then tap on profile. Here we have Find My. Tap to open it and then tap to open it. Toggle this off. Next enter Apple ID password and tap enter. This will turn off Find My iPhone. See the confirmation here. Once done, click try again on iCareFone WhatsApp transfer. It starts restoring WhatsApp data on iPhone, and once done, here we have confirmation. Transfer successfully. Now iPhone shows restore in progress and will restart. Once iPhone restarts, let's open WhatsApp to see if transfer is completed or not. See here we have all the WhatsApp data with images, videos, audios, stickers and all the chats. Great! Amazing work by Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer. We have successfully transferred WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without resetting iPhone. So if you are planning to switch from Android to iPhone, this can make the process much easier, especially when your iPhone is already set up and you don't want to start from scratch. I will highly recommend you all to try out Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pinned comment. Or you can also search for Tenorshare iCareFone WhatsApp transfer on Google or Bing. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, share reviews and feedback in comments. Also, if you are new to W Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. How selling old storage devices can be a privacy risk, as even after formatting, we can recover data. How to enhance low quality video to cinematic video using the best AI video enhancer tool Topaz that is available with Wondershare Filmora 15.